So today we'll be making bookmarks that can go on the corner of the page. And what you'll need is your pencil, scissors, markers or crayons, whichever one you have, any type of glue, and tape. And if you want, you can use pipe cleaners, but having the paper is definitely a must. And I was just using this jar lid because I wanted to cut out a circle, and I couldn't draw the circle on my own. So the most important thing is to have a square piece of paper. So I happen to have a really big piece here, so I'm just going to cut it in half and make a smaller square, and that's what I'll be working with. Okay, so I have this piece of paper, and if I fold it into a type of like triangle like this, what you'll be making, or what you'll end up with, is a square once we cut off this piece. So again, fold it so that this edge lines up with this edge like that, and then once you start cutting, you'll end up with a square. I advise that you get help with the cutting part. So I'm just going to set this aside because I can still use that later on if I wanted. So, see? A square. And what I'm going to do is fold it into this triangle, and taking the top half of the paper, fold it so that it just, this tip right here goes into the center of your bottom of the triangle, like that. So this is what you have. And then now taking this end, fold it in so that this pointy end meets the middle as well, like that. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now what you have is that both ends are going in, and the middle top half is also pointing to the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna take this left end, and we're going to meet this bottom end with the top part of the triangle. So if initially it was like this, then this bottom left hand corner is going to meet with the top of the triangle, like that. Again, the same thing on the other side. Both ends are meeting the top part of the triangle. And what you're going to do is take this end and tuck it into the little pocket that's over here. So take the corner, fold it in, like that, and do the same thing with the other side. And there you go. I wanted to keep these extra scraps of paper because that's what we can use to create the additions or the extra designs on our bookmarks. So I created this one earlier. I wanted to look like a bee, so I took a small coin and I used the scrap paper and I drew circles, and then I cut it out, and this is what you get. The same thing with the jar lid. I used it to cut out this piece, and then I created this little emoticon or emoji. So use what you have at home. I think I'm going to just use tape to put on the wings for my bee. And I can use this glue to stick on the eyes. You happen to have pipe cleaners, you can maybe cut out some antennas, or a couple of antennas for the little bee that we're making. I advise that you get help with the cutting part. This isn't super perfect, but I made it, so I think it's great. Another one that we could do is stick the emoji on here like this. You can get as creative as you want. I'll put up some other ideas that other people have created before, but for now, using what I do have. Maybe you have other crafts at home that you can use. I could just create whatever kind of background color I want. And now I have a bookmark. Now if I want to come back and look at where I left off. Oh, there you go. Okay, thanks guys. I hope you enjoy getting the chance to read during these days, and that you can possibly make one of these bookmarks and use them yourselves.